Hello students, welcome back to my video. So today we'll start exercise 8.4 which is about profit and loss. Okay, so I have given you the formulas about the profit and loss, the profit percent and loss percent. Okay, so I'll solve the question number 4. Okay, the selling price of 20 pence is equal to the cost price of 22 pence. Okay, SP of 20 pence, that is selling price of 20 pence, is equal to the cost price of 22 pence. What is the profit percent? Okay, you have to find out the profit percent. Okay, let's start. Okay, now see, we'll assume let the SCP of 1 pen equal to X. First of all, we'll assume the CP of 1 pen is X. Then CP of 20 pence is what? 20 into X. Okay, because 1 pen cost is X, then 20 pen cost will be what? 20X. Now CP of 22 pence we will write, because in the question 22 pence is there. And why I have written 20 pence here? Because SP of 20 pence is given. Okay, that's why. Now CP of 22 pence will be what? It will be 22X, obviously. Understood? Now in the question, according to question, what is given? SP of 20 pence equal to CP of 22 pence. Okay, now you will write SP of 20 pence equal to CP of 22 pence. Okay, so now CP of 22 pence, how much it is? 22X we have assumed. So here you will write 22X. That means SP of 20 pence will be now 22X. Okay, this one. Now we got the SP of 20 pence equal to 22X. Now what is the CP now? 20X. Okay, because we'll assume this 20X. Now write profit equal to SP of 22 pence minus CP of 20 pence. Okay, that means we will assume the same number of pence. Profit equal to SP of 20 pence minus CP of 20 pence. So SP of 20 pence is what? This one we got. SP of 20 pence is 22X. So write here 22X minus CP of 20 pence is what we have assumed, it is 20X. Now write 20X here. Okay, now 22X minus 20X will be what? 2X. Okay, so our profit is 2X now. But in the question what is asked? To find the profit percent. Now we'll find the profit percent. The profit percent formula is what? Profit by CP into 100. Okay, now profit how many we got? 2X. And CP how many? It is 22X. 20X. This CP of 20 pence. Okay, 20X into 100. Now this x will cancel out. This 0 will cancel, and 2 cancel. So what is remaining? 10. So it is 10%. So profit percent is what? 10%. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, understood? Now the next question, number 5. Seema purchased a car of 2,25,400 rupees and spent 10,000 rupees on its repair. Okay, so this is the CP, cost price, and 10,000 rupees is spent on repairing. So this 10,000 will add with this amount. Okay, that means this plus this combining will get the CP. That means you will add this amount plus this amount, then it will be the CP, total CP, not this one only. Okay, because it is used for repairing this money. So this plus this will be the CP of the car. Then it sold it for rupees 2,25,000. That means it is the SP of the car. Then you have to find out the profit or loss. What happened? You have to find out. Profit happened or loss happened. Loss or profit percent you have to take out. So it is very easy. So this is the CP and this is the SP. Then minus it, whatever coming, profit and loss. And then after that, find the profit or loss percent. Okay. Then we go to 6th number question. Somnath bought bananas at rupees 35 a dozen. That means 1 dozen banana cost is 35 rupees. 1 dozen means how many bananas? 12 bananas. 1 dozen means 12. So 12 banana cost is 35 rupees. That means this is the CP. He then sold them at 20% profit. Okay, he got profit and at 20% profit he sold. Now you have to find out the selling price of one banana. You have to find out the SP of one banana. Understood? So let's start this question. Now you can see here CP of 1 dozen banana equal to 35 rupees. Then profit is given 20%. So now we'll take out the profit first of all. What is the profit now? So put the values here. Profit percent given 20. Then profit you have to find out. So write down profit equal to and then CP is what? 35 rupees. Right here 35 into 100. Now solve and find out the value of profit. So this will be what? Cross multiplied. So 20 into 35 and this 100 will come down here into 100. So now profit. So how much profit? So 0 cancel. 2 5s are 10. Then 5 7s are 35. Okay. So profit is how much? It is 7 rupees. Okay, profit is 7 rupees. Now what you have to find out? You have to find out the value of the SP of one banana. But before that you have to find out the SP of 1 dozen of banana, because this is the CP of 1 dozen of banana is 35. So this is the profit of 1 dozen banana. So profit equal to how much? The formula is SP minus CP. Okay, so profit you got 7. Then write down 7. Then SP you have to find out SP of 1 dozen banana. Then CP is what? 35 rupees. Write down 35 here. Now SP equal to how much? So 35 plus 7. It is 42. So this is this SP is the selling price of 1 dozen of banana. Now I have to find out the SP of one banana. Okay. So SP of 1 dozen of banana. 1 dozen means 12. Okay. 12 bananas equal to how much we got? 42 rupees. So SP of one banana you want. Okay. It will be what? It will be 42 divided by 12, because in 1 dozen there are 12 bananas. So now divide it. So when you divide it by 2 it is 6. Then it will be 21. Then again 3 2 is 6. 3 7 is 21. So when you divide 7 by 2 it is coming 3.5. Okay. So therefore SP of one banana equal to rupees 3.5. Understood? Okay, now see question number 7 you will do in homework. Then now question number 8. A shopkeeper purchased 15 chairs for 450 each. That means 15 chairs and one chair cost is 450. He sold 12 of them at 512 and 3 of them at 427 rupees. So the CP will be what? This into this, and SP will be what? This into this plus this into this. Then you have to find the gain or loss percent. Okay, if profit happen or loss, you have to find out. Okay, let's see. So how can you write it? CP of 15 chairs equal to 15 into 450, because one chair cost is 450. So when you multiply with 15 it will be total cost of 15 chairs. That means 6750. This is the total CP of 15 chairs. Now take out SP of 15 chairs. Okay. So it is first one is what? 12 into 512, because 12 chairs are sold in 512 price, then plus 3 more chairs are sold at 427. Okay, now this will be 6144 plus 1281 when you multiply this. So total is 7425. So this is the CP, this is the SP of 15 chairs, and this is the CP of 15 chairs. Understood how to find the SP? Because 12 chairs at 512 rupees and 3 chairs at 427 rupees. So you have to multiply and then add the total. Now you can see SP is more than the CP. That's why profit happened. So profit percent, you will first of all profit, find out profit equal to SP minus CP. That means 7425 minus 6750. So it is coming out 675. So this is the profit. Okay. Now profit percent you have to take out. So profit percent equal to profit by CP into 100. So profit is 675 and CP is what? 6750. 6750 into 100. 1010 cancel. The 675 cancel, and what is remaining? 10. So profit is what? 10%. Understood? So profit percent is what? 10%. In this way you have to take out this question. Understood? Then question number 9 and 10 is your homework. So 4 questions are for your homework and rest done. Okay, thank you.